So today, guys, I'm gonna be going ahead with this. So first of all, this is some aloe vera leaf. Crap. So first, you're gonna have to cut off the ends if yours is like mine. I personally don't like making much of it because if you make a lot of it at a time, if you don't like get to finish it that time in one use, it tends to turn pink and I don't like that. If you like it, then you can go ahead and do as much as you want to. If not, then do mine or do you. Okay, so first I go ahead and peel off the ends and the sides, and then I go ahead to peel the green part off. This is hard with this big old knife. Um, yep. Go ahead and peel off the green part. Don't mind if you have like little patches of the green like this and that. It's not that much of a big deal anyways, you're gonna have to save it. Then I go ahead and slice it to cubes. Hold on, I'm gonna have to set up my blender. Ooh, good. Put all this stuff in here. Oh my god. Look at this. Alright. Ta-da! Found it. So you go ahead and put the jelly part of the aloe vera in here in your blender or whatever you're using. This is so sticky, man. Look at that. I have to wipe my hands out. So go ahead and put it in here and blend. Oops. Yeah, and that's it. So remember I said it doesn't matter if you sliced out all the green parts or not. So here's why I said so. Use a personally I use this a weak cap to sift it whatever I don't want out. Because usually with aloe vera, I mean I like using it on my hair, but I found out that when I don't sieve it, like separate it, I tend to have this crazy white residues on my hair, guys. Like it's worse than dandruff. So I usually blend it for whatever, whenever I think it's ready, and then I try to sieve it up. Like I said, I don't use much. I don't do much of this at a time. I just do like a couple at a time, as much as I need it. Because when I do more than that, like to store it, usually it turns pink on me, and then I throw it away. So I don't want to waste it anymore. So you go ahead, try to let it sift on its own. You can see the juice down there. It's coming up. So I like using a spoon because before I try to push it out, because when I push it too hard without taking out the reducing the foams, I still tend to get the residue. So I just try to push it as gently as I can, get the much little as I can, whatever you want to call it, and squeeze a little bit. See that? Those are the juices. Oh, baby. This is disgusting. But I like it. Alright. So, here's the juice. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my spray bottle. Which you can get anywhere, guys. Like, you can get... I got this from, I think, Dollar Tree for $1. You can get it from any beauty supply store, wherever, Amazon, whatever store, guys. Like I said, I got it from Dollar Tree. Um, so yeah, usually I mix it with oil if I want to, but recently I don't put anything in it. I just put the oil in my hand and put this on. So yeah, that's your aloe vera juice.